Hi all, today we are going to see a different kind of automation. This is an image-based automation, and the need for this type of automation arises from the fact that nowadays most of the applications are cloud enabled. So all you have on your desktop is an icon which you click eventually and get into that system, and that give another set of challenges for a person who is doing automation on this, right? So one of the key challenges, like, you cannot inject your automation tool to inspect the elements of a given browser or application, because that application is not running on your desktop, or the process is not running on your desktop, but it is actually running on the cloud. And that is where this image based automation is relevant. And one of the key reason is that these are like relying on the rendering part of the images rather than injecting the automation in the process or the executor. And that is where we are seeing a tool uh, which has matured over the period of time, last 10 years, called Sikuli. And we are going to do one small exercise where we are going to click on Windows icon, which you see here. Right click on it, run, click on run, and then it will open a box. I will type here Chrome. Right now I'm doing manually, but this will all be done by the automation suite that we are going to create. Another common trait is, like, we are going to use command line thing, and as obvious, we are going to use Java based ecosystem to enable end-to-end journey for this. Yeah, code is available on this repo link which you're seeing where my cursor is rolling. So to start with, you have to create a Maven project with a default archetype in the Maven. I have given name com help auto, representing the automation, but you can choose the name of your choice. Once you do this, you need to open this in one of the editor of your choice. Go to the pom.xml and add a dependency to Sikuli um, uh, in your project. And then the version that I have chosen is 2.0.0, but the latest is 2.0.2, something like that, right? After that, you have to create a class with name openchrome.java, and there I have added a function that do the exercise, and that I have captured in 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 step. So I'm just going to my Eclipse editor, and you will see here this is my class that is actually doing the stuff. One key thing that you have to observe here is something called pattern, which we are using to locate the appropriate images. Just before this, or like talking more in detail, what one thing you have to do before, like, adding this project is, like, you need to capture these images, and for that you can need a delay. I have added a delay of 5 seconds to capture all these images, but it's a fairly straightforward process. You capture these images and eventually put it inside the resources folder, src main resources of your Maven. And once you put this through all these three images, what you have to do is, like, grab object of type screen. This comes from the Sikuli API. um, uh, Provided all the steps, right? For example, I told you, do right click and then click, then wait for some time. These are like some of the helping functions that has been provided. Like, sometimes the automation that you are trying to do on that particular tool is not that responsive enough. You have to wait for certain time. At the same time, you need to understand one more nitty-gritty. Like, sometimes the images are not matching exactly, so it is sometimes 0.80% or 60%. So that's where you see this, where I'm matching similar image with 0.8 or 80% matchability. So yeah, we are good to run this. I will open this application, go to the main class, that is app.java. Right click on this, run as Java application, and you will see that this application is going to run. And the actual automation that I was talking about, that it will click on run, do the right click, you see that now it will click on run, type Chrome after waiting some time, and you see this Chrome window is opened. So that's pretty much completes the journey of it, and thank you for watching this.